Okay, here is this week's Financial Tip Tuesday. Let's talk about cash and where you have your cash located. You might have it at a local brick and mortar bank, and if you do, you might be missing out on a big opportunity. Over the last year or so, the Federal Reserve has increased interest rates significantly to help combat inflation. And because of that, money market accounts have passed a lot of that interest rate increase onto consumers, and your local brick and mortar banks have not. So let's just go over kind of the big three, I would say, here in West Michigan. Let's talk about Chase. I'm pulling up their website right now, and Chase, they are paying 0.01% on their interest savings account rates. And Fifth Third, again, is paying 0.01% on their interest rates. And Huntington is paying 0.01 to 0.06 on their interest rates. And the fourth one here, Lake Michigan Credit Union, they do have their max 3% checking, but that is only on the first $15,000. So you have to do a bunch of different things like logging in a certain number of times for your bank account. So just keep that in mind. It's only on the first 15,000 for that 3%. And because of that, money market accounts might be a good option for you instead. Obviously, I don't know your circumstance. I don't know you individually, so I can't say for sure, but something to consider. So let's talk about the kind of the big three for money market accounts. First, let's talk about Vanguard. Their money market account as of this week is paying 5.02%. And Charles Schwab's money market account is paying 4.9%. Fidelity is paying 4.74%. And so as you can see, those are huge differences between what your savings account at a local bank might be paying versus a money market bank. And so that's a huge opportunity, I think. Look into it, reach out. I'm happy to answer any other questions you might have about money market accounts. And yeah, just wanted you to help save some money. Obviously, if inflation continues to be high, you still might be losing purchasing power, but you're losing a lot less purchasing power than if you were to leave it in your local bank. Have a good week.